Hey guys, this is Questcork. Today we're gonna do a tutorial. We're gonna do a tutorial on how to enter Wallpaper Engine on Steam. We are here with Royce Joanne that is gonna help us. Hello.
Hello, Royce here. I'm gonna do Questcork to open Wallpaper Engine.
Okay, first of all we have to be here and we have to enter Steam. If you don't know what is Steam, you can search it up on Google, on Mozilla Firefox, on Safari, everywhere, brother.
You can also search steam.com.
Then you have to enter something that is called Wallpaper Engine. You put play, and it will. Oh my god! Now we have to wait a little bit for the program to update. Will come in a few seconds. Okay, now we are inside. This is Wallpaper Engine. Oh my god.
Man, that looks
Bro, it doesn't look well, brother. Oh my god, sorry for this.
believe it.
Oh my god. Wallpaper Engine. Sorry, if you can find Wallpaper Engine, it's because it's here. You have to click here and Wallpaper Engine. Here we go. Thanks for the tutorial, guys. This is
Thank you very much.
amazing.
Like and
Say
subscribe.
goodbye.
Get bored.
Goodbye.